to go ahead, answer number 2. We didn't do number 2 or 3. So I want you to together, remember on number 2, here's the quick hint. And this is my mistake on period 2. Yes. What did she say? Okay. What? You can have a seat. She can go on it. You know where you're going. On number 2, when you work as a group, and the first group that gets it gets a candy. Now, write a sequence. Remember, a sequence is a pattern. Okay? A sequence is what, class? Pattern. A pattern to show the number of cards remaining after each turn. The numbers of card remaining after each turn. So go ahead and figure that out. We did this on Friday. Remember this? The first turn, we took out 6 here, 7 here, we took out 13, right? The second turn, we took out 5, 6, 5, and then 6 here, we got 11, right? Yes. And so forth. Now the question here, write a sequence to show the number of cards remaining after each turn. So go ahead and figure that out.
I think I got it.
Your group needs to get it. You cannot have one person. Okay. I'll give you 3 minutes for this.
What?
Okay, Sienna, Serena, Castro, right? I need your syllabus signed. You still have not given that. Can I have it, please? Dulce, I need your syllabus signed. You have it. Okay, I need it. Thank you.
Oh, I think we got it right here. Miss Wilcox, I think we got it.
Okay, let me see. We all have it. After each, almost correctly. Are you going?
We can't keep going.
Could it be a negative number?
You can't have negative numbers.
Then why would you put the ellipsis?
I found it.
No.
We have no ellipses.
Why? Can you guys explain it?
Because after you can go. Yeah.
Miss Wilcox, that's the point.
Miss Wilcox. Throw this away.
Wait,
no,
this
is
okay.
After you we're finished. No, we finished first.
We finished.
Come on, let us have a chance. You guys always like
Five terms.
Yeah, he heard.
Yeah,
He figured it out.
5, 6.
Oh, there you go. Erase it. Oh, erase it.
Your answer is incorrect. I got the question. Okay. Who said they got it?
Oh, we got it.
Maybe.
I got it. What you mean you got it? You got it. Not even sure.
That's why. What went wrong? Who said they got it? Hey guys. No, that's not a sequence. Remember, this is a sequence. It has terms. Hey, listen. No one else got the terms? Okay. Whose table got the terms? Okay, did he get it? Can you report it? Why do you have those terms?
Because when you take off when you cross these out, you count how much there is.
When you cross each one, you cross this out, the first right and the bottom, you count how many is left, right? So it should be the first, how many is left is what? What is it? What's the first? After you take 13, how many are there all together?
48.
48. After you take out this one, these two rows, and one row and one column, okay, how many is left? 35. What did you do? You subtract 48 minus what? 13. You got that is your first term. Your first term is what's remaining. Get that? And then what would you do after that? You subtract that to what? You took how many out? You took 11 out of there. You took 11, 35 minus 11 is what? 24. Okay? How about the next one? 24 minus 9 is 15. That's your third term. Correct? And then you can finish the rest, which is what? 7. What?
Not time.
No. Is it 7?
No. It's 8. 8
8.
and 3.
Because 15 minus 7 is 8. Minus 5 is 3. So you just, okay, some other person did it differently. Someone said, all I did was, I took this out, I counted 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and each rows have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 row, 5 times 7 is 35. You see that? That was good. That was great that you told me that. Right? That's what you did? Okay. And then you take out chapter 2. And then you know that the next one, they took out this row, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 4 is 24. And then they count it that way instead of doing the subtraction, right? And you guys just counted what's left, right? So those are the 3 ways. Those are great. I'm glad to hear that that's my way there. Who'd subtract like I did? Okay, good. One group. Who counted what's left?
Oh, us.
Okay, you counted what's left? Okay. And then I'm going to give you guys candy for doing it differently, which is great. Ask
My way.
okay, if you counted whichever way, okay? The rest of you didn't, which other way did you do? You did the multiplication one. You did counting in your group. It's okay to do it differently within your group, as long as it makes sense. You guys got it. Okay? Now, any other way? Dividing. That one makes
Did
sense.
you get that one, Dang?
All right. What pattern is shown in each sequence? So, tell me the pattern for each sequence. So the first one, what was the pattern? Go ahead, write it together and explain. The first one, what was the pattern? The second one, what was the pattern?
It's going down.
Okay? Make sure you have your homework out with your homework record so I can stamp it. That's right. Okay? Okay. The reporter for table 9. What was the first sequence? What did you do? Table 9 is right here. I need to put numbers like Mr. Collins. He has the table number up on top. What did you guys get? How did you find on number 1? What was the sequence? What pattern did you see? How would you describe it? Huh? Subtracting. So did I subtract 10 minus 2? Subtracting what? 10 minus 7? Okay, guys, you need to be more thorough than that. So, table 8, can you explain further than just subtracting? Reporter. Table 8. No? You guys don't know the sequence for number 2? Number 1, I mean? Okay, write it down in there. How would you explain the sequence for the number 1 there? Write it at this time. Talk amongst yourself how you would write it. Do it on a paper. Don't just say subtracting. Is it 1 million minus 1? Then you're just telling me it's subtracting. Be thorough about what you're subtracting.
Yes. Me.
Okay? Yes, number 8. Okay, subtract, that's closer. So is it 1 million subtract 2? What is it? Yes.
They subtracted by 2?
Subtracted by 2? So is it 1,000 subtract 2? So I get 998. The pattern, what pattern?
Going down by R.
What's the pattern? Okay? Okay. Who can tell me the sequence so someone who cannot see it know where to start? Where do we start here? Okay, I'm going to tell you number 7 on last night's homework will be on your test. Okay?
She didn't get it.
Oh, mine.
All right. When you're describing, so people know what you're talking about. Okay? Sorry, I shouldn't give you that much time. You should say, start with what number? Start with 13. You start with what number? 13. Start with 13. And then what did we do?
Subtract by 2.
Subtract by 2. Subtract each term. By 2. Most of you just put subtract by 2. Subtract what by 2? Subtract.
by 2.
Yeah. Well, then each term. Start with 13 and then subtract by 2. Start with 13, subtract 2 is 11, and each time subtract each term by 2. Start with 13, but then subtract from then on by 2. Stop at what? Stop
11.
at 0. Okay, because can we have negative parts? No. That's why. Stop at 0. How would we describe this? This is 11. This is 9. This is 7. This is 5. How would you describe that?
Start with 11.
No, you start with what number? You start with
The term.
the term 35. So the second one, you start with what?
The term.
Start with 35. What do you do next? Subtract 11 to get the next term. Then subtract 9. Subtract 7. What do we notice about the numbers we subtract? Subtract 11. Then subtract the term by what?
2.
By 2 less, right? Which is 9. Subtract each term by 2 less than the previous term. So subtract 9 and so forth, right? Any question? You need to remember when you explain to write what number you start with. All right? Okay, I do check, yes, the notes that you take, also that is class credit, as you participate in your group. Well, no, the group stuff here. You're writing these, right? Yeah? Yes. Okay, so Natalie, you have a -3 for today. Okay. To participate.
Okay.
Any question? Good, I'm glad you're listening. Yes, and you're contributing as a table, but you also need to put it on paper. I'll give you a -2 there, but you've been listening. Actually. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Because when this is the end of this lesson, I need you tonight to look at number 7 on this worksheet, on the blue worksheet, okay? Because I will go over that tomorrow. It will be on your test. And material person, I would like you to come and get one of this paper for everyone at your table. That is your homework tonight. Yes.
To my face, guys. Guys.
What are we doing? This homework? It's hard.
What do you got?
Here's what I need you to do. Okay? I need you to, we are going to put you guys into 4 groups. And the winning groups will get a cup of noodles. A cup of noodles.
Hey, man.
Okay?
Do we make us?
The winning table, the winning group will get.
Do we make us?
Okay, listen, on your homework tonight. Shh. On your homework tonight. On number 1, I need you to write the ordered pair for letter A. Now, this is called ordered pair. Now, the word pair. How many are in a pair?
2.
2. Shh, girls back there. There's 2 in a pair, so they want 2 numbers for this letter A. See this word order? You know what order means, right? In order, right? In order of this vertical X, this is the X coordinate, this is the Y. So in order of X, Y. So let's look at letter A here. Letter A is right here. What letter goes first, the X or the Y? X. It's called order pair. X comes first. So you take the x-axis, you have to stop at what number? -5. Okay? And then you go up how many? 3. 1, 2, 3. Or it hits this number 3. That is your Y. 3. It's called ordered pair, so it needs to be in order of X, Y. Do you understand? So for letter A, it's -5, 3. What I find that is, I need you to look at, I need to make, let's say Z right here. Put Z there, please. Put Z on, do you see where I put Z at? -6, 0, -6. Now, this is, remember, ordered pair, in order. Which way do we go first? The X, the X. Where did I have to stop at the X? At what number is this? 0. Do you see that? Z is at 0, and then I turn. And what number do I hit? -6. Okay, you guys get confused on that type of problem. Now another one, let's say W. I want you to put right here. Put W there. Write W right there. What letters come first, X or Y? X. It's called ordered pair. X comes first. This is your x-axis right there. Go along the X. What number do you hit? -5 first. Did we go up or down? No, so it's a 0. The 0 is there. Yes.
For 7, E, so you put a 0.
What?
So 0, 0 for E.
Yes. E is 0, 0. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, here's how we're gonna group you. Did I check everyone's homework except this table? Now, that's group A. If you are letter A, you're A, B, you're C, you're D. You're D. Okay? A, B, C, D. Remember? It's A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. We're just doing a competition. Okay? So, on doing this coordinate, so you know, who's A? Raise your hand if you're letter A.
No.